Isaac here with Skyline, and today I'm excited to give you an inside look at our brand new truck mount carpet extractor. We picked up this truck a few weeks ago and we have this beautiful wrap on it, and today I'm going to walk you through what's on the inside and helps us deliver on the 4 primary factors to cleaning, which is time, agitation, chemical, and temperature. Let's get started. On the side of the truck here we have 3 main components, and that is our waste tank, our vacuum hose, and our pressure hose. Behind the waste tank is the blower system, and the blower system is what generates the CFM or suction. Now this unit produces about 558 CFMs of suction. For point of comparison, your average rug doctor, which most of you are probably familiar with, produces about 44 CFMs. So this machine is about 12.5 times more powerful than your average rug doctor. So what does that mean for you? Improved cleaning and decreased dry time. By name, an extractor is pulling or sucking soil and moisture out of your carpet. So by having a higher power vacuum, you're going to improve the cleaning by removing more soil and more moisture from your carpet. Next up we have our water pressure system, which is delivered by this hose here. So this unit delivers about 1200 psi of water pressure, which we use for tile and grout cleaning. And for carpet, we're going to use 600 psi. For point of comparison, your average rug doctor produces 27 psi. So this unit is going to deliver about 22 times more water pressure. You're going to have cleaner carpets because water pressure helps to evenly distribute the product and agitate the carpet fibers during the cleaning process. Next, I'd like to point out the water temperature that this unit produces. You've probably heard the term steam cleaning, and this is where that comes from, because this unit produces about 235 degree water, but by the time it reaches the wand, it's usually around 200 degrees. Now, imagine you're trying to clean your dishes with cold water and soap versus hot water and soap. It makes a world of difference. And that is the difference that this unit is going to make when we're cleaning your carpets, because that heat is going to help with an effective cleaning process. Now in the back of the van, we have materials that help us be prepared for any cleaning situation we run into on the job. The first thing I'd like to point out is the water softener. This is an investment that not every company makes, but it's important here in Madison because we do have very hard water. So by having an onboard water softener, we soften the water that we're using to clean, which is going to deliver better, softer carpets for you. The next thing I'd like to point out are the cleaning products. You can see on both shelves we have numerous different cleaning products that are going to tackle different cleaning situations. For example, if we're cleaning natural versus synthetic carpets, or if we're cleaning grout here on the left, or for various spotting situations, if we're dealing with ink or wine or coffee, etc. So this assortment of products is going to help us tackle each of these different situations correctly. Corner protectors are an important item that we have in the back of the truck, which help to prevent edges and corners from hoses and other items during the cleaning process in your home. In the truck, we have 2 primary tools that we use for carpet cleaning. One is your standard wand, the other is the RX-20. This wand is what you'll most commonly see being used for carpet cleaning. But what I want to point out is the RX-20 here, which has some additional benefits. And this is an investment, around a $4,000 investment that we made to deliver better results. And on the bottom of the machine, you can see why, because there are 5 rotating cleaning heads. So as you're cleaning, this is doing 600 passes per minute. And this is gonna give better coverage, better extraction, and better cleaning of your carpets. So clearly this is an excellent piece of equipment, but I want to mention that a piece of equipment is only as good as the technician operating it. And that's why all of our technicians go through not only Skyline internal carpet cleaning certification, but also external IICRC carpet cleaning training. And this ensures that all of our technicians are certified and know how to operate this equipment properly to deliver excellent results. In closing, I hope you enjoyed this walk around video and you learned a few valuable things about our carpet cleaning truck mount. If you're in Madison and in need of carpet cleaning for your home or business, please give us a call or visit our website at skylineclean.com.